The strength of our love holds us together, and our unity makes us stronger.
Strength of mother's love and unity.
Welcome to Divakar Central School. Good morning, students. How you feel about your mother? You love her?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, students, a beautiful and wonderful story of a beautiful couple of parrots.
In a peaceful forest lived a pair of sparrows. They had built a tiny nest on a strong branch of a tall tree. Days passed happily, and soon the mother sparrow laid her precious eggs. Both the sparrows dreamed of a beautiful future with their little ones. One hot afternoon, a mad elephant wandered into the forest. He was tired, thirsty, and restless. Looking for shade, he stood under the same tree where the sparrows had built their home. In anger and frustration, the elephant lifted his trunk and pulled down the branch. The nest fell. The eggs shattered. Everything was lost. The mother sparrow cried in pain, her heart broken into pieces. The father sparrow tried to console her, but her sorrow had no end. Just then, a woodpecker arrived. He said, "Crying will not bring back what is lost, but justice can still be done." The mother sparrow wiped her tears and said, "If you are truly my friend, help me punish that cruel elephant." The woodpecker smiled. "I have a plan and friends to help us." Soon they gathered, a fly and a wise frog. The frog said, "Unity is strength. Together we can defeat even the strongest." And so the plan began. The fly buzzed loudly into the elephant's ears, distracting him. At the right moment, the woodpecker attacked, pecking both his eyes. The mighty elephant became blind. In pain and confusion, he cried loudly, searching for water. Just then, the frog began to croak near a deep trench. The elephant thought it was a lake. Desperate and thirsty, he ran towards the sound and fell into the trench. Days passed. The cruel elephant died of thirst and hunger. The small sparrows stood strong, not because of their size, but because of their unity and a mother's powerful love. Final moral, on-screen text or voiceover. Even the weakest can defeat the strongest when united with courage and purpose.
A mother's love can move the world. If this story touched your heart, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss another meaningful story. And share this video with your friends and family because one good story can change one life. Your support helps us create more and life-changing videos. Thank you for being part of this journey.